If your crypto wallet isn't popping with joy, you're missing out on Popcat. So what's making everyone go cat crazy? Popcat isn't just another meme coin, it's the cat pops. This little furball is taking the meme coin world by storm. Influencers and crypto enthusiasts are all paws in on Popcat. Some big names in the crypto community have already given it their seal of approval. And guess what? The Popcat Twitter network has exploded, hitting over 100,000 active users. That's right, this cat is trending. Popcat runs on the Binance smart chain, making transactions faster and cheaper than your morning coffee. Now that's what I call a smart kitty. Wondering how Popcat came to life? This feline phenomenon started as an internet meme but quickly turned into a sensation when a group of savvy developers decided to give it a digital twist. And the rest, as they say, is history. But it's not just about being cute and cuddly. Popcat has real utility too. With community-driven projects and a roadmap that promises even more features, this coin is no passing fad. It's here to stay and play. So, if you're looking to add some fun to your crypto portfolio, Popcat is your go-to choice. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this one. Subscribe to our channel for more updates on the latest meme coins and crypto trends. Hit that like button and join the Popcat party. Thanks for watching, and may your wallets be ever popping.